Are you someone drinking green tea regularly, 4 to 5 cups in a day, and hoping, oh, green tea will help me to reduce some fat and I will lose my weight by drinking only green tea? This video is exactly for you, and there are most misconception and there is a marketing gimmick. Okay, initially what they have showed in ads is by drinking green tea you can have a flat tummy and you will lose weight by just drinking green tea. So this is exactly the marketing way they have been showed, such that a lot of them are into green tea and they are started to drink a green tea a lot. But the fact is, let me explain in a simple way. Green tea consists of antioxidants. Okay, antioxidants will help you to break your fat cells. It will break your fat cells, that if you are in good workout sessions and the nutritional guidance, if you are following these two things in addition to drinking green tea of 1 to 2 cups in a day, and then you will see some results just due to antioxidants breaks the fat cells. If you are again doing some workout and good nutrition, so then you will lose the fat. This is what it does for our body. The green tea is very simple. And another information I need to add over here is green tea enhances and increases your metabolism. So what is metabolic rate is something called as energy expenditure. If you want to do some work, you need to spend some energy. When you drink a green tea, it enhances your metabolic rate such that you will spend you more energy, and in the addition you will lose some fat. Some of them will have more energy, and that we called as higher metabolic rate and lower metabolic rate. Some of them will spend very less energy, and it differs from body to body and the person to person. And another important thing you need to consider is how many cup, okay, quantity of cups we need to consume per day. So it is good and better to have 1 to 2 cups in a day, but when you are end up having more than 4 to 5 cups in a day, you will face the issues like kidney issues and the liver damages, due to it consists of more antioxidants. Apart from that, the only thing you need to consider is just one thing in your mind. When you add the workout and good nutritional food, and in addition to green tea, you will end up losing some fat. So this is what all about green tea. Hope this video helps you. If it does, just like, share and comment below, and I will meet you in another informative video. Until then, see you, bye, take care.